This video is to show you how to complete your online course selection. The first step is to go to the Costa Mesa High School webpage, which is cmhs.nmusd.us. Once here, you're going to notice the quick links on the right-hand side, and you will click Aries Portal Login. This will take you to a page that says Newport Mesa Unified School District Aries Student Information System. Here, you're going to log in with your student ID number. So if your ID number is 123456 at nmusd.us, and you will click Next. It'll then tell you to sign in with your Google account. You're going to verify that your ID number at nmusd.us is in there, and you're going to hit Next. Next, you're going to type in your password. This password is going to be your network password that you use to log into computers or Chromebooks on campus. So you should all know this password. If for any reason you can't remember it or need some help trying to figure out which password it is, you can always contact your counselor and we will provide that to you. So once you're all set, you're going to go ahead and click Next, and this will take you into your Aries Student Portal. Up here, I'm using a demo student for Screaming Eagle High School, but yours will say Costa Mesa High School up at the top. From here, you will click on the Classes tab, and under Classes, you're going to click Course Request Entry. Here you will notice that Christy, our demo student, has some primary requests already entered, but when you log in for the first time, this will be blank. So now I'm going to show you a couple different ways to add in your course requests. The first one is by the Show All Courses filter. This is what it automatically is set to when you log into your student portal. So you're going to go ahead and click Search. And this will go ahead and populate all the classes that are available to you by your grade level. Please note that these classes are different since we are using a demo student. Yours will look a little different. But for instance, if you are interested in taking Art 1 for next school year, you would go ahead and click on that course. And it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to take Art 1? And you're going to hit OK. Once you do this, you'll notice on the left-hand side, it is then populated into your primary requests. If you decide, I do not want to take Art 1, or you accidentally added in a course and you need to delete it, you will go ahead and click that X and click OK. You want to delete that request, and it will remove it from your box over on the left-hand side. Another way I would like to show you on how to select your course requests is by typing in the name or course code number into the search bar. So for instance, if you're looking to take dance next school year, you can type in dance, click search, and then select the class that you are looking to take. So I'm looking to take beginning dance, select OK, and then it'll show on your primary requests. If you are looking to add an alternate request, you would click the alternate request button, remove the filter, and then add in the class that you're looking to take as an alternate. So for me, I'm looking to take PE as an alternate. Type in PE, click search, and then select the class. As you can see, it shows up right here under your alternate requests. To verify your requests and check to make sure they have been inputted correctly, you will go back up to the top and select Classes, click Course Requests, and here's where you will see the classes that you have selected. If you have any questions, please reach out to your counselor and have fun.